Hey folks, it's Russ. Today is Saturday, October 4th, 2025. I hope you're having a great day. I want to give a big shout out to our oldest daughter, Contessa. It's her birthday today. She turns 26 years old, and I'm super proud of her, and I love her very much, and I hope she has an awesome day. And if this is your first time to my channel, welcome. I've been involved in the work from home space for 19 years now. I've been fortunate enough to be working full-time for myself since 2018. And it's my true passion to help other people generate mailbox money using social media and direct mail marketing. And on this video, I just want to give a huge thank you, shout out to all of the people who have made this possible on my channel. But yesterday I was accepted into the YouTube partner program. And so now my YouTube channel is monetized. And I just want to thank each and every one of you for making it possible. All of my viewers, all of you who have given my videos thumbs up or thumbs down, left comments, shared my videos, all of that good stuff. I appreciate each and every one of you, and I truly mean that. So it just goes to show that hard work and consistency pays off, because I've had my YouTube channel for years, and I would do videos here and there, and they were never on a consistent basis or anything like that. It was just whenever I felt like doing a video, or whenever I found a new shiny object to go and share, I would do a video. And it wasn't up until recently that I started just doing videos every single day. And that is what got me to become a YouTube partner, right? So you just have to, I know I talk about it in all my videos, because it's the main thing if you want to build an empire. You know, it's just staying consistent with whatever it is that you're doing. That's the key. There's no other secret push button or formula. It's just showing up every day, taking massive action, and staying consistent. So now that I am, my channel is monetized, I'm allowed to have memberships. So I have a $2.99 a month insider membership, and I wrote down some stuff here because I can't remember everything. I just did this. You can get custom badges, emojis, there'll be polls, there'll be member shout outs, and there'll be some other things that I'll do in the future. But it's basically just to support my channel, which I truly appreciate. $2.99 a month. And then I have tier 2, which I believe is $6.99 a month. All right, and then you get all the things in the first tier, plus early access to videos. I'm going to do behind the scenes, different things. We're going to do some lives every month. Live chats, priority replies to messages, things like that. That's $6.99 a month, I believe. So when you go to my video, you'll see a join button, and you can join that now. And you know, I don't expect anyone to join. I'm just super excited that I finally got monetized on YouTube, because it's been something that I've been really working on this year and really focused on just showing up every day and creating valuable content. And not everybody gets approved. You might hit the requirements that they, you know, that you to apply to get monetized, but that doesn't necessarily mean that you're going to get approved. So I'm super excited that they approved my stuff. You know, I'm providing valuable content, and I'm just super excited about it. And I'm just happy that, I don't know, it's just one of those things. You know, I've always wanted to have my YouTube channel monetized, and I never put the work in that I should have, or I could have had it monetized years ago. But it's happened now, and I appreciate it. And you know, I couldn't have done it without each and every one of you. So I guess that's it for this video. I'm going to be launching, well, we'll keep that for another video. So, but that's it for this video. Again, I appreciate you very much. Go and check out those different memberships I have. And if you feel like I provide value in my videos and you want to support my channel more, you can start at tier 1 for $2.99 a month. Get some cool badges next to your names when you leave comments and things like that. And I'll be adding customized emojis and things like that down the road. I think I have to be in it for a little bit and have a few signups before I can customize anything like that further. But it's going to be fun. I got a lot of cool things planned out. And I want to help each and every one of you build your own mailbox money empire, all right? Because at the end of the day, Health is true wealth, but time freedom is what we need. You know, you need to strive for time freedom, being able to do what you want, when you want, for as long as you want, and never having to worry about cash flow. That's true freedom, okay? So I hope you have a great rest of your day wherever you are. I look forward to seeing you all in my next videos. And until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you. Have a great day. Thanks for watching. And happy birthday, Tessa. I love you.